Hello friends, this is your memory coach, Squadron Leader Jayasimha, the President World Memory Sports Council for India. In our series, Scientific Study and Memory Techniques, I welcome all of you on board. In this video, we are going to learn how to remember organ systems of human body. Human body, organ systems. How many are there? We basically have got 11 organ systems. 11 organ systems: integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, lymphatic, respiratory, digestive, urinary and reproductive organ systems. 11 are there. When I am telling you this, straight away, many of you will jump to that method that I taught you earlier. Remember, I taught you the 7 wonders of the world, 10 longest rivers, how to remember. And you say, oh, I need to convert them into some matching pictures. I need to substitute them. And then I have to make one story, visualization. That was one method. Here, when it comes to organ systems, you can't use that method. That means we have different mode of transportation. For example, I can go by walk, I can go by bullock cart, I can go by cycle rickshaw, I can go on my own bicycle, I can go on a bike, I can go by my car, I can go by metro train, I can go by ship, I can go by aeroplane, or you can actually carry me on your back, right? I can go by a number of means. Similarly, memory has got lot of techniques. You know that the search for memory ends with me in the India right now. I have done so much of research, innovation, and that method is not going to help. And we have to use one method for this. What this method? Mnemonic method. Mnemonic method. What is mnemonic? M is silent here. Mnemonic is a Greek word. This had come from some other Greek word called mnemosine. Who is Mnemosine? She is the Greek goddess of memory. You heard me right. Greek goddess of memory. In India, we got goddess of education. Saraswati. Like that, goddess of memory, Mnemosine. Her temple is in Athens, the capital of Greece. This method is called mnemonic method. So this method, all of you know. What is this? Whenever we need to remember items belonging to the same category. Means if I give you names of 10 boys, 10 countries, 10 cities, or 11 organ systems, and you get principles of management, or you are studying engineering, you get step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 process, where you have similar nature of items belonging to the same category, or you get key points but you are not able to visualize. That's when this method we need to resort to. This is called mnemonic method. So what we are supposed to do, every word, we don't convert into matching method. We take the first letter of every word and we toss it up and down. We make one meaningful word. And then if you remember that word, rest of it will become very easy. How? Let me just show you this method, right? So these are the 11 organ systems. Means what? I'm not able to make any picture. So I'm going to take this first letter. First letter means what? I, S, M, N, E, C, L, R, D, U, R. Look at this. How I'm going to do? I, S, M, N, E, C, L, R, D, and then U. Last one is what? R. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If I give you this way, you are not able to, you can't remember. Then what we should do? You must have played word scramble when you are a small baby. So try to make these letters up and down, maybe, and you will be able to make some meaningful word which can stick with you. So if you ask me, I take this L and then I take an N. So I'm making something called LN. And then what? I'm taking what? R, right? I, C, what else is there? E. So R-I-C, rice, something that we eat. LN means lion. Short form for lion, rice. And then what is there now? D, right? D. Then what is there? R. What is there? U. Then what is there? M. And then what is there? S. So I'm making something lion, rice, drums. I'm making some picture. Means imagine one lion is carrying rice in a in lot of drums it's carrying to its den. I made a picture. So what I'm going to do, look at this. See, I got this, right? So lion, right? Look at this, how I'm getting this. So lion carrying some rice and then in the drums. So if I get this, I made some picture and then I'm associated, right? So organ systems, I'm going to connect this with a lion, okay? Lion, organ system. So lion is carrying some rice in drums. So L, the moment I'm in the examination hall, what I do, I got the answer paper, last page, I do it for rough work. I write this word lion, rice carrying in a big drums, right? So L means what? Lymphatic, and then nervous, respiratory, and then next one is I need to remember that integumentary, and then cardiovascular, endocrine, and then digestive, reproductive, urinary, muscular, and skeletal. So the moment you get first letter, automatically, with that letter, what will be that organ system, automatically remember. Some of you who are studying accountancy or history, or some of you are non-science students, they say, sir, very difficult. See, if you are non-science student, you are a commerce student, you are studying history, you are into LLB, you are not expected to remember this. If you are into botany, zoology, you are into medical field, you are into doctor profession, then it remember. And they have read this many times. Automatically with L means what? They know lymphatic, right? And the moment N means what? Nervous. Automatically they know. R means what? Respiratory. I means what? Integumentary. C means what? Cardiovascular. E means what? Endocrine. D means what? Digestive, reproductive, urinary, and then musculoskeletal. And once they know these 11 systems, it becomes very easy for them. What method is called this? This method is called what? Mnemonic method. You'll ask me this question, sir, how do I remember this? When you put your head into it, and then when you take out the first letter, and then when you toss it up and down, when you yourself research and do it, and that's going to be with you. One basic thing is understand. Instead of memorizing all the 11 of them, just memorizing that lion carrying some rice in drums. That is much more easy. That means what? Imagine I am going from one city to the other. I got toothpaste, toothbrush, tongue cleaner, shaving foam, shaving razor. I got powder, I got lipstick, I got kajal, I got my pajama kurta, I got 2 pants and shirts, right? And so many items. If I want to carry 30 of them, will I carry all of them independently? How will I be able to carry them? Even if I get into the train, I got upper berth. If I keep it under the lower berth, will I be able to sleep in peace? No. Because somebody might take my powder dabba and run away. When I get down in Bangalore, how will I be able to carry all of them? Problem, right? So what we normally do, we pack all of them in one particular bag or suitcase, and then what we do, we got the upper berth and we keep all of that bag in under lower berth. Once in a while, you just peep, is my bag there safe? Yes. You want to go to washroom, you can always tell, auntie, kindly take care of my bag. I'm just going to washroom and come. When you get down in Bangalore, take the bag and keep it on backpack and get it down. That means instead of carrying 30, 40 items, one is much more easy, right? So if you say, sir, that also I forgot what to do. No, that will not happen, right? So if you ask me, then you need to get your brain checked up. What's the problem? You need to get checked up. So you will be able to do it very easily. So lion carrying rice in drums, right? So tell me, how do you remember all of them? Lion means, L means what? Lymphatic. N means what? Nervous. And then R means what? Respiratory. I means what? Integumentary. C means what? Cardiovascular. E means what? Endocrine. D, digestive. R means reproductive. So 2 R's are coming. U means urinary. M is muscular. S means skeletal. I'm not saying all of that. I'm just looking at you and I'm talking to you right now. How? Because that lion rice drums is already there. You can do this. So like this, you need to check that only visualization, no, many more methods are there. You have to use different methods. This method is called what? Mnemonic method. And you also can make one sentence. How? We will discuss next time. So got the 11 organ systems of human body. Happy you are, right? Friends, you want to learn more. What we should do? You know, Jayasimha Mind Education is our #1 memory academy in India. Get into website jayasimha.in. Mail me at visionjay@gmail.com. My helpline numbers 9985031777, 9985041777. And I'm one click away, one message away from you to help you. And you can be part of all these online courses. From now, whether you want to become a doctor, engineer, IAS aspirant or CA, SW, LLB, doesn't really matter. Study, memorization will never be a problem, because so far you never had me with you. Right now, you and I together, we can really make our study a celebration. I look forward to all of you joining our courses. Any questions, call me up. Anything that you want me to make video upon, sir, this I want your help. More than willing, because I had been dedicating my whole life on this aspect called memory and motivation. It will give me a lot of happiness to be your success partner. We shall meet up again. Until then, keep smiling. Thank you. Bye-bye.